Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to change a name on Facebook, and now let's dive right in. Now to change a name on Facebook, first open up your Facebook app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to change your name. And after that guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the tree line icon with your small profile picture icon. Just below the messenger icon, tap on there. And over here again you can see the gear or the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap over there. And again guys, you can see the Meta account center at the top of the list. Tap over there. And over here guys, at the top of the list you can see there it says profile. Tap on there. And over here tap on Facebook. And here it says guys, name, username, profile picture and avatar. Tap on name. And over here guys, you can see you'll be able to change your name. I'll be just typing in my name with a different alphabet. And you can also add your middle name if you want to. And let's correct this. And after that, tap on review change, the blue button at the bottom of the screen. And over here guys, you can see your name or preview your name over here. And if you're good with that, you won't be able to change your name within the 60 days. You must be remember or careful of that. And tap on the save change button at the bottom of the screen, and then your name will be changed. And then guys, this is how you change your name on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.